you tired of carrying around extra belly fat? Well, you are in luck because today I am sharing a science-backed 7-day diet plan that can help you get rid of belly fat fast. This diet plan easy to follow and it's packed with nutrients dense food that will help you feel full and satisfied all day long. So let's start. Breakfast. Start your day with protein-packed breakfast. Protein takes more energy to digest, which can help to increase your metabolism and burn fat. Try scrambled egg with spinach and avocado or Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Mid-morning snack. Reach for a healthy snack like apple slice with peanut butter. The fiber in the apple will keep you full while healthy fats in the peanut butter will keep you satisfied. Lunch. For lunch, focus on a lean protein or veggies. Try a grilled chicken or roasted veggies or a salad with grilled salmon and avocado. Snack. In the afternoon snack, some carrot sticks with hummus. The fiber in the carrot will help you to feel full, while the protein in the hummus will keep you satisfied. Dinner. While dinner, focus on a balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and complex carb. Try grilled shrimps with quinoa and steamed vegetable or a steam fry with a lean beef, brown rice and mixed vegetables. This science-backed 7-day weight loss diet plan is packed with nutrient-dense food that will help you to get rid your belly fat. Remember, stay hydrated, exercise regularly and get plenty of the sleep to help your body recover. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Comment below which topic I explain next.